going to have a look at how to solve vertical addition with carrying. Let's have a look at the sum 28 plus 48. The first thing we will need to do is mark out our place value columns. So, tens and ones. 28 is a 20 and an 8. 48 is a 40 and an 8. Since we are adding them up, fill in your plus sign. As we are doing vertical addition, we need to start in the ones column to add them up. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 is made up of a 10 and a 6. So we need to put the 10 down in the tens column and the 6 down in the ones column. Now add up your tens column. 20 plus 40 is 60. So we fill in 60. Put in your plus sign and we're going to add those up. Starting again in your ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6 and 10 plus 60 is 70. So your final answer is 76. If you have a look over here, you can see why it was so important to add up the ones first. Because sometimes when you add up the ones, your answer is greater than 10. And if your answer is greater than 10, you need to put part of it in the tens column so that you can add it to the tens while you're adding up your tens. That's why always start with your ones first, then go on to your tens, or if you're going into higher numbers, you can then go further into your hundreds, then into your thousands, and so on. Okay, right. To try and do it a little bit quicker, let's go and try the sum again. Mark out your tens and your ones. 28 is a 20 and an 8. 48 is a 40 and an 8. Plus sign to add them up. Remember, 8 and 8 is 16. And we said that 16 is 10 and 6. So we put our 6 in the ones column, but our 10 we are not going to put down here in the tens column. This is where we're going to change it up a bit. We're going to put our 10 up in the tens column with our other tens. Remember, this is our quick method. So we've put our 10 in our tens column with our 20 and our 40. So we can add them all together. We've got 20 plus 40 is 60, plus 10 is 70. 76. It's a lot quicker, isn't it? The only trick is we have to remember that we put our 10 up here. In this method, it's very easy to remember because everything that we've added is there in the middle. So if you're going to do this way, the quick way, you have to log it in your brain that you've put your 10 up there in the tens column and not forget him sitting up there. You have to remember that he's there and go, aha, got to add him in. Because sometimes we forget. He can be Mr. Sneaky, Mr. Small, and we forget to add him in. So, only do this way once you've practiced a few like this, and when you know that your brain is going to remember who you've added into the column up there. Good luck!